Hey everyone, have you ever looked out at the ocean and wondered, how does all that life stay in balance? From tiny plankton to giant whales, everything in the ocean needs two things to survive: matter and energy. But here's the thing, they move through the ecosystem in very different ways. Let's start with matter. Matter is anything that takes up space, like water, oxygen, and nutrients. In the ocean, matter is always moving in a cycle. That means it gets used, broken down, reused, and passed on again and again. Take a look at seaweed growing near the shore. It uses carbon dioxide from the water, sunlight from above, and nutrients from the ocean floor to make its own food through photosynthesis. Then along comes a sea turtle, munching on the seaweed and taking in those nutrients. When the turtle poops, or eventually dies, decomposers like bacteria and tiny ocean fungi break it down and return those nutrients to the water. The seaweed uses them again, and the cycle continues. Even water itself moves in a cycle. It evaporates from the ocean surface, forms clouds, falls back as rain, and flows right back into the sea. Matter never disappears. It just keeps cycling through the ocean over and over. Now let's talk about energy. Unlike matter, energy doesn't cycle. It flows in one direction and can't be reused the same way. In ocean ecosystems, energy starts with the sun. Tiny ocean plants, called phytoplankton, capture sunlight and make their own food. Then small fish eat the plankton and get that energy. Bigger fish eat the small fish, and maybe a shark eats the big fish. But at every step, some of the energy is lost as heat, and there's less and less to pass on. That's why energy flows in a line. It has to start fresh with new sunlight every time. So what's the difference? Matter, like water and nutrients, cycles through the ocean, getting reused. Energy from sunlight flows through the ocean food chain and needs to be replaced constantly. Just like the waves, the ocean is always moving. And thanks to the cycling of matter and the flow of energy, all the amazing creatures that call the ocean home can keep living, growing, and thriving. Pretty cool, right?